Oi. This is an old mining quarry, wasn't it? So we're looking for how many edibles. So we found, yeah, it's a bit dry. It's been a lovely day. Well, you had some blackberries so far, haven't we? Rustler there, it's gone over. But we'll keep you posted. It's what we can find. This is sorrel, so that's edible. And this is, I can't think what it is. It looks very similar, doesn't it, Jane? What is it? Minus lettuce.
Yeah.
Yeah, very similar. We found some in my wood, and it's very edible, but I wouldn't like to say that's the same stuff. So don't quote me on that one. There's dandelion leaves, so you're talking edible. What else I'm looking for? This is hazel, but I can't see any nuts. Not that there. This one with the straight, make bow and arrows out of these. I can't see any nuts on this one. It's quite a young one, but this is hazel. Hazelnut shells, so they're definitely here. And this one, of course, everybody knows this one, stingy nettle, which is very edible and very nutritious. And so is this, I think it's gone to seed, is it? So even the seeds make nettle tea. You can put it in stews and everything. It's a very versatile, very powerful plant. Very good for you. This is what? Yellow or red cracking?
I think so, yeah. Don't know. Looks like it's bruising blue. It's got a red stem, but it's an old one, so.
Blue,
Goes
straight
quite
away,
blue.
yeah.
So it's not yellow cracking blue, it could be the red cracking rose, but it could be the cousin, or that could be ink stain actually. It's going very dark, isn't it?
Yeah, always check your mushrooms,
We've
don't.
found ink stain here before, but look at that red colouring. Nice
Anyway,
one.
I'm not going to say it's edible, because I'm not going to, that's up to you to, isn't it? Is it edible?
I'd say no,
No.
but people do.
There we go. Stump puffballs, they're edible. But like I said, check, look at that. And then we've got these here as well. So the little ones we were looking at just a second ago before we got people went past, I thought I'm not going to show them. They're sulphur tops, they're poisonous, you don't want them. But like I said, you need to research everything. Up to the elderberries, edible. They're going over now by the look of them. This is this is a yew tree, and they have these in graveyards, and every single pit on this tree is poisonous. Apart from them, that's what they say. You can eat the berry, but don't eat the pip. I wouldn't. Very good edibles, but they're in someone's gardens. I wouldn't advise it. But we do have some on the trail, I think, if we can find some. There you go, edible, but I wouldn't eat them because they've been on the floor, and that means doggy doo-doos. Oh, hawthorn, you make hawthorn jelly out of those. Those damsons, by the way, you could have eaten them as long as you got wash them first, definitely. Rose hips, you can make jelly. You've made jelly with these, haven't you?
Sorry, yeah, syrup.
Syrup, rose hip syrup. It's nice as well, wasn't it?
It's alright. except I use brown sugar. Not so good.
There you go.
Looks a bit like dried saddle, like, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's gone. Oh, it does, doesn't it?
Yeah.
It is, isn't it?
No, I don't think so. Dried saddle doesn't have gills.
That's a shame. It's gone. We'll keep looking. Right.
Yeah, that one there.
Which one do you want? That one there, the big one?
Yeah.
So like I said, these are very, and that one's gone. Have this one. Oh, there's two there. There we go.
Lovely.
You want that big one, don't you? There you go.
Was that a big one?
Just try that, and just try it.
I do like thousands.
Oh, that is beautiful.
Much nicer than sloes. You can't really eat sloes like this. Ooh.
Nice. Himalayan balsam. It's invasive, is it? But it's edible, I believe. But look it up. Like I said, don't take any of this. Just look it up. There you go. So an abundance here of damsons, and they're beautiful.